It's like if Christmas was on a beach. That's what this is. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for your drink of the week. Guys, this week I am teaching you how to make a Snow-Jito cute, super corny White Christmas song where they sing about snow.
It won't be long before we'll...
You get the point. You are going to need lime juice, silver rum, coconut rum, can of coconut milk, sugar, pomegranates, mint, pomegranate juice, Pellegrino, I think that's how you say it, dark cherry, and pomegranate sparkling water. This week's episode is brought to you by our friends out in Countryside at Mainstreet Wine and Spirits. Head on over there to get all of your liquor for your next holiday party. They have a huge selection of wine and spirits. You won't leave disappointed. So first thing, guys, get a cute little pitcher of choice. We're going to take 1/4 of a cup of sugar, dump it on in, 1/3 of a cup of lime juice. You're going to take 2 sprigs of mint, rip off the leaves, and have them go to the bottom. Next, you are going to take a muddler, and you kind of are going to want to break up the mint leaves, okay? As you're doing this, guys, you're going to really smell the leaves, and you'll see the mint leaves kind of get a little bit bruised, which is what you're going to want, okay? All right, next, we are going to take our blender and do the following. 1 can of coconut milk. You're going to take your white rum, and you're going to do 1/2 cup of it. Next, you are going to take your coconut rum, and you are going to do 1/4. For good measure. Then we are going to take some ice, and we're going to dump her on in. Make sure you're locked and loaded, and blend. We're going to come back. We're going to take our gorgeous pitcher. We're going to dump her on in. Top her off with some more ice, okay? Then, guys, take it in whatever serving glass you want. I decided to do them in tiny little wine glasses, okay? Pour it in about halfway. Top it off, Pellegrino, dark cherry, and pomegranate. A little bit to the top. You've seen them in rum drinks, but we're going to make this a floater just so it sits on the top. So just a little. We don't want to do a lot. I'm going to do a spoon. That way, just for color. That's it. That's all it is. Okay. Finish it off with a sprig of mint. Remember, smack it. And then take a little bit of pomegranates for the top. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, a lovely, delicious Snow-Jito. Guys, as always, share it if you like it. And show me how you plan on making your Snow-Jito drink at home. I would love to see your concoctions.